Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in a series of Kotlin we are going to learn inheritance. How to implement inheritance in Kotlin. Let's see. We are creating a class first of all. Name of the class is employee, and this class we are passing two parameter in a constructor, name in an integer format and age in int format. Then we are creating a function called display emp employee. In this function we are going to print name and age. Then we have to create another class salary, and this class having a three parameter in a constructor name, string, age, integer, salary, integer. And we are going to inherit a class employee, means X. We want to make inheritance of employee class, and we are passing here name and age, because in a constructor of employee class we having a name and age. This is a primary constructor, and here you see there is an error 3 please. So these error because we have declared already these variable in this class, so no need to create again in subclass also. Okay, because these are the member of this class also, so we cannot create two variable at a time. So name here in employee is also available in salary, so we are creating same variable using same variable. This employee is giving error that this class cannot be inherited because it's a final class. In Kotlin by default the class is final, so we have to remove it from the final. So we have to create a keyword or use a keyword open. So by using this open keyword before a class keyword, we call to the compiler of employee that this class is used to be for inheritance. So we are doing inheritance by declaring this class as a open, means it can be inherited. So in this we are again displaying salary, and then you can print salary equal to okay. Now we create a main function and we create a object of employee class. We are passing here object name, suppose xyz, and age, suppose 20, 30, whatever you want to give, and calling display employee function. Then salary object, passing three parameter. First one you say abc, then age, then salary. Okay, then we called object display employee first, then display salary second. Because this salary class having a display salary method, and display employee is from the employee class, from this class. Because by the rule of inheritance, as you know, by rule of inheritance all the member of parent class is also member of subclass. So employee is a parent class, so the function which is available in employee class is also the member of salary class. So we are using display employee and display salary from the S object, and here we are using by E object display employee. If you run this program, you see the output. You see, and this is by using E object, and this is by using this two line by using S object. So this is the way to implement inheritance concepts in Kotlin. See you in more lectures. Bye.